Yeah. So, like I was saying yesterday, we talked about what? We talked about contact creation, both manual contact creation and importing contacts that you've already saved on your CSV file. That's your spreadsheet. You understand? So, this is a sample of contact. Let me open the one we used yesterday. I used Google Map to search for transport companies in Nigeria, which as they came out, I used them to I imported them into our HubSpot. You understand? So this is a sample contact we use. So today we are going to be talking about. I think we'll see yesterday's class is on the group. It's pinned, like I explained. You just click on the pinned messages, you will see yesterday's class. So today I want us to see, first of all, if we can create an email sample. And then second of all, if we can, I don't know. See, HubSpot is not something we can handle in 2 days, but I'm just looking for the major things we can talk about. Others you can explore on your own. You understand? The time I taught those people I told you people about, I took HubSpot, 3 different classes. And it's not just like tutorial like this, it was like 3 hours each, 3 different classes before I didn't even finish everything. You understand? So HubSpot is so vast. So we're going to be talking about email today, how you can create email. So I just clicked on email and we're going to be creating a new email. Now, sometimes maybe you go to a website and you lay a complaint or you fill a particular form on the website, and before you know it, every single week or maybe every single few days, that company will send you an email telling you about maybe a product they have or maybe about whatever, and how you can subscribe to them. You see the email is well formatted with pictures, with something, things you can click and all that. It depends on the CRM tool that they are using. So, assuming you are an email marketing expert with your company, I'm sharing my screen. Can't you guys see my screen? Hello, can you guys see my screen? Nelly said she's not seeing my screen. Please, can you guys see my screen? Okay. Nelly, please, maybe you leave the meeting and come back in. I think it's from your network. So, like I was saying, you are an email expert and you have a list of 2,000 contacts that you want to market you people's products with. You want to market your products to them. You understand? Maybe you have been sending, you need to send an email as an email marketing expert to tell them about your products and I won't be able to refresh on yesterday's class because the video is there for you to watch. It's very simple. It's very well broken down. So the video is on the group. That will be taking us back. We've already spent 32 minutes on this class, so let's not go back. So as an email marketing staff, you are supposed to be in charge of emails to your clients, not only clients, to your what do you call them? Your leads, or your potential customers. To your clients, maybe you are reminding them about your product and how good it is, and maybe something else that you guys just launched. And to new clients or new leads, you are telling them, you want to tell them what your products can do for them and the kind of product that you people have in your company. Now, there are two types of emails that email marketers send. It's either you're sending a cold email or you're sending a warm email. A cold email is an email you are sending to someone who does not know you, who has never heard about you. The person just out of the blues got an email. Maybe you just generated their leads online. Just imagine those contacts of those the contacts of those transport companies I generated yesterday in leads, and I pick up their phone number, which is there, and call them. That's a cold contact, and I'm trying to sell them something that will make their fuel last longer in their car. That's cold contact. And a warm email or warm contact is where you send a message or you reach out to someone Who is not surprised to get an email from you? Now, let me ask you a question. Some of you use MTN. If tomorrow you open your Gmail account and you see a message from MTN telling you how you can do more, that there is a product that they have that will give you more data for 3,000 naira. Before you were doing 3 gig for 3,000, and now there's something they have that can give you 15 gig for the same 3,000 naira. Will you be surprised? I want you guys to answer on the chat box. If you get an email from MTN tomorrow now, will you be surprised that MTN sent you an email? If you are using an MTN line, will you be surprised? Or you get a text message from MTN, of course you will not be surprised, because you already know that there is something between you and MTN. It's either you are using their line or you've used their line before. So that's no longer cold contact or cold message. You understand? So that's what those things mean. It's either you're sending out a cold email or you're sending out a warm email to people. You understand? Sorry, guys. All right, sorry guys. Someone needed me to move my car so that they can drive out, but I've taken care of that. So, like I was saying, you will simply do what? You just your duty is to send mail to, assuming we got the email of those transport companies and we want to sell this our product that does that will help them maximize their fuel usage. Maybe fuel, there's this product that someone gave me one time that will help you. If your fuel used to last for 1 hour before, it can, if you start using it regularly, your fuel can start lasting for 1 hour 20 minutes or 1 hour 30 minutes. You understand? And I want to sell it to these transport companies so that fuel that will normally take them from Lagos to Oka might now take them from Lagos to Enugu. You understand? So that's called marketing. So click on that. Under marketing, you click on email, and then regular automated is not there. Normally, you're supposed to use as an email, as an email expert. You're supposed to use automated. Wait, where is the email? So, like I was saying, you're supposed to use automated. The reason why you use automated is so that maybe you are supposed to send 3 different emails. The first one is going to be what? Your introduction. Then the second email is going to probably be your second pitch, talking about your product for the second time. And then the last one will be the last pitch. Most times when I've done email marketing, what I used to create is what? 3 different emails. The first one is called the outreach. The second one is called the follow-up email. And then the last one is called the last pitch. So the first one, outreach, I'm trying to tell you what my product can do, introducing you to the product. That's the first time you are probably hearing about the product. The second one, which is a follow-up email, is me reminding you that I've contacted you some days ago and I'm here to tell you about the same product. And then the last one is probably going to be the one I will make you feel like after today, I will not contact you again. If you are interested, kindly reach out to us right now. That last speech is like sometimes when you go to a website and they tell you they are running a promo and that promo is going to expire, you will see a counter that is counting down 3 hours more. It's going 3 hours, going down to 2 hours to 1 hour. And that's what they tell you, that it's just 3 hours remaining. Now, sometimes if you leave that website and go out of the website again and come back into that website again after 2 hours, you will still get 3 hours countdown. You come back tomorrow, you will still see that promo on for 3 hours countdown. Why? Because they want you to be able to make, that's what we call fear of missing out. They want you to feel, oh my God, I'm going to miss out on this promo. Let me sign up with these people now, 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 now. All those things are marketing psychology. So as someone who is what do you call it, an email marketer, you need to have that atom of that kind of psychology. When we get to email marketing, because today is not email marketing proper, when we get to lead generation and sales, that's when we'll talk about email marketing in details, where I will tell you how you can generate these emails, how you can, there's what we call call to action. Call to action is what makes that person want to sign up. We have 10% discount. That's call to action. We have 15% discount. That's call to action. So now you click on regular here. Automated delivers on its own. You set it, one we go today, another one we go in 3 days time, another one we go in 5 days time. So once you have set it up, you don't have a business with it again. It will automatically deliver on those days you said it should deliver. But if you use regular, you will have to be the one to send the email manually. And we cannot use automated here because it's a paid feature. On when we do Apollo, that's email marketing. When we do Apollo lead generation, that lead generation, then you will see how you can set up an automated email system. I'll teach you, we'll all teach you guys. If we will teach you guys, on tutorial will also touch how you guys can set up an automated email system. So for now, let's stick with the regular here. And why I like HubSpot is that HubSpot has a lot of templates that you can select from. There are lots of templates. Imagine, are you sure you want to close this store? Yes, I don't need it. So these are templates, e-commerce re-engagement, e-commerce welcome. This is new product launch. Assuming you are launching a new product and you want to talk to your already existing customers. So guys, this class will end in the next few minutes. Let's use the same link to come back, please. Let's use the same link to come back. The class will end in a few minutes time. Or maybe I should just end it and then let's come back. No, 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 no. Just hold on. It will end and we'll come back on our own. So let me be talking while we're waiting for that. So you just choose a template based on what you want to do. If you want to generate, okay, so there are, like I was saying, there are a lot of templates here. So you choose based on what you want. This is a newsletter template that you can edit to fit what you are looking for. This is a new product launch that we're talking about. Over here, we have a promotion email or whatever. I don't even know what some of these emails mean because I've not used them before. This is Christmas one. So you can see all this. These are all templates that you can use and then edit them to suit your tastes. You understand? And they are also broken down into different. This one is e-commerce, engagement, event. Let's go to event and let's see. You are invited. These ones are locked. All of them are locked. So greeting, newsletter, plain text. So we are going to use, let's use product launch. So assuming, like I said, I want us to contact those company, those transport companies, but we are going to use the template as it is here. You understand? So let's do what? Choose templates, or you can preview it and see what it looks like, what the email looks like. So when the email arrives in the person's inbox, this is what it's going to look like. See, logo. And the person can click this to go to your page or your landing page and purchase this product. See, latest to land, shop newer. So this is what the email is going to look like. You can edit this to suit whatever it is you want. So if you are okay with what you're seeing here, you can click on what? Use templates. Click on use templates. And this is it here. Use templates. Now you can now edit. And as you are working, you'll be seeing how it's going to look on your desktop and how it is going to look on mobile. This is mobile view. This is mobile phone view. And this is desktop view. How it's going to look on people's laptop. You know, sometimes people optimize a website and they maybe they out of, how will I put it? An oversight. They did not remember to optimize their website to also look good on, what do you call it? To look good on phone, on mobile phone. Like I have my portfolio that I created one time. The problem I had with that portfolio was I had a problem optimizing it to look good on phone. It was a serious problem. But at the end of the day, I was able to optimize it to also look good on the phone. I'm not, I don't know if I can see it now. I would have said, let me show you guys so you see. I don't think let's not waste time on that. Let's continue with what we're doing. So now, once you have gotten what you're looking for, it's now left for you to do what? To edit. So here is your logo. If you want to change the logo to your logo, what do? You click on this. You click on this. You come back here. You replace this image here with the logo of your company. So I've clicked it. It's loading. Let me replace it with logo of Digital Witch. This is Digital Witch logo. You see that the logo here has changed. It's very easy. It's just edit, edit, edit. If you don't like women, maybe what you want to be here is ladies and gents. You click on it. Click on it and you go down. You will see where you type. This is text. Click on text. Hold on. You see, if I click this now and I type lady, you see, it has changed it to ladies. And then if I will now edit the website I want this to go to, URL, leave it at URL, then you personalize the website you want it to go to. You understand? Which website do you want this place to lead to? I can say I want this to lead to facebook.com. Facebook.com. That's where I want it to lead to. Now, if I finish this email now and I send it to anybody's email, once you click on this ladies, it will take you to facebook.com. So it is now left for you to edit this to ensure that it goes to the right destination you want it to go to. You understand? So let me remove this facebook.com because that's not what I want to achieve. Once you are done with that, you you go to the next one. You want to change this one to gents. It's basically the same thing. Double click on it, it will open. Double click on it, it will open, and then you type gents. You want to change this one to kiddies. You know, you're trying to be Gen Z-ish. Kiddies. And the same way you are editing this thing is the same way you edit everything. You want to change this picture, you click on it. Maybe there's another particular can that you guys are selling or shoe that you guys are selling that you want to add. You can add it. You understand? Basically, what you are doing is editing to suit your taste. And when you are done editing, you can preview. Click on preview. You understand? I've not added any recipient here, so I cannot click on that preview. You understand? So this is just basically how you can format an email and then send logo here. You still change it to your logo. You understand? You want to add a new text. You can click and drag this and drop it. Click, drag, and drop. Let me see. Mhm. You see, this is what I added now. I edit it to my taste. Whatever it is I want to write here, I write it. And at the end of the day, I'm done. All these things are just editing. We'll not go deep into this editing. It's just normal how you edit your text or your whatever, on your, what do you call it? These are the formatting tools here, all the formatting tools here. Then, under, after you are done editing and you are okay with, hold on. Yes. So basically, I don't know. Let me see. If, like I was saying, please, if you have a question, drop on the chat box. Then you go when you are done with editing. This part is about editing the mail and how you want the mail to look. You understand? Then you go to settings. Over here in settings, what do you want the person, the mail? How do you want it to come? Do you want it to come from, like you see here, it's written the mail will come from me. I can change it to those people I added yesterday. I think I added Ijoma yesterday. I added Christabel and Pearl. I can change it to them. You understand? I can change it to their name. They are part of my team. I can change them that the mail will come from them. Then which email? I have emails that are linked here. This is one of my email, okoli.ccr. This Jblaze on Steel Wheel is still one of my email. I can select which of the emails do I want the mail to come, which means whatever email I select and the person makes a reply to me, the mail will come to HubSpot and it will still go to that particular email that I used as the email I want to appear on the person's whatever. So, what is the subject line? New arrivals, 10% discount for the first 20 customers, or Black Friday exclusive deal. Depends. All these things are just you. Then what do you want? What text do you want to appear? Here it says this will be used as a preview text that displays in some email client. Now, this is what does a preview text mean? If you come to your email here, let me show you what a preview text means. Also, sometimes a preview text will also serve as what will make your clients either open or ignore your email. You understand? So let my email load. So I'll show you guys what a preview text means. Now, if you look at this email here, you guys can see my mailbox, right? Please confirm that you can see my mailbox. The recording will be made available, Peter. It will be made available later. I want you guys to confirm that you can see my mailbox because I've switched windows. Okay, okay, thank you. Now, if you look at this mailbox, there are three things, I'll be two things that are visible here. The first one is the name of the person who sent this email. The second one is this. This is what I'm talking about. This will appear here. This is the heading. This heading I selected, this title, what is the heading, Abi? This subject line is this one that is bold. Then this second one here that is preview text is this one here. Food security begins with whatever, whatever. Like this one now is the subject line. Bybit, this is a USDT I just purchased this evening. Internal transfer successful. Now, this is the preview text. Dear valued Bybit trader, you've successfully transferred 51 USDT. So this is what the preview text is. So some clients will just what is this one saying? Hello, client. I beg leave this thing. So from your preview test already, they've already decided that they don't want to open your email. You understand? So that's what this preview text is. Then internal email name. Let's see what this means. It says internal name used for your own organizational purpose. So this is when you send email internally to you, maybe your co-workers, your staffs or whatever. This is the name is going you want it to appear in. You understand? Then subscription, all these things are just normal settings. It is you that know the settings you exactly want. Then send or schedule. Send or schedule. Now, this is where you now select the recipient. Who are the people you want to receive this email? You select them here. You understand? Do not send to. You want to exclude some people. Now, there is what we call opting out of email. Have you ever received an email and then you see, what's that thing they call it? To unsubscribe, click here. It is also available here because you need to respect people's privacy. If you send someone cold email today, send the person cold email tomorrow, and the person does not want to receive more emails from you, the person will go and unsubscribe. There should be a way. HubSpot, we do it in such a way that I don't know, I've not used HubSpot for that, but there is what we call there's a list where exclusion list, or there's what they call it, I've forgotten what they call it, where these are people that have what unsubscribed to your email. So it will be very, very wrong and could cost you a lot in terms of lawsuits in developed countries, not Nigeria. Because in Nigeria, yeah, who get time to go and find lawyer we go sue you because you send them email as they say you should not send them again. So in a lot of countries, if someone unsubscribes from your email and you keep sending them the same email, they could sue you. Also, there is also room for the person to subscribe to different, assuming that you have three types of email you send to people. One is newsletter. The second one is marketing or promotional email. And the third one is maybe, what will I call it? Okay, let's just say two. These two I mentioned. Someone can choose to unsubscribe from your promotional email, but leave your what? Newsletter emails. It is possible. There are ways you can set all those things up. But personally, I don't use because of a lot of limitations. I don't like using HubSpot to teach email marketing. So when we get to Apollo, we are going to do a lot of all those things. Now you can send now, or you can schedule for later. You understand? So let me see. Automation. Automation. Welcome to your new automation. Okay, this one is new. They just added it or something. Explore on my own. Okay. I can't set up automation because it's a paid feature. You understand? It's actually a paid feature. So let's go back to our edit. Now, I won't be able to preview. Okay, let me preview and see. So once I click on preview, it's going to show you how this is how the email will appear on phone. You see that is also well formatted on phone. There is nothing that is spilling over to the net to that is inside your phone that you need to scroll inside before you see it. You understand? Everything is well aligned both on phone. And so you need to make sure that your email is properly. There are people that open their email with their phone. And when your email is not properly formatted for phones, when the person open it, it's not everybody that have time to come and be zooming or be scrolling to look for something that is in the extreme right corner. So you need to ensure that everything is properly aligned both on your phone and on your what? On your system, on the way it will appear in system. Estimated size of this email is 59.7, 57.9 KB. You understand? 57.9 kilobytes. So let's go back. Okay, I think that's that about emails. Is there anybody that have a question on this before I move forward? Any question on this? You can raise your hand or you can drop on the chat box before I move on to another thing that we have for today. All right, in the absence of any question, so let's just move ahead. Now, the next thing I'm going to be showing you guys is how you can do what? How you can create a landing page. For some of you, you can create a landing page from here. You can create a website from here. You can create a landing page from here, whichever one you want. But let's, for the sake of today's class, let's do landing page. So just under the content department, like I mentioned yesterday, HubSpot, every single department in a company can use HubSpot. We have the CRM, which is for the customer service and customer relationship staffs. We have the marketing, which is for marketing staff. We have content side of it, which is for content creators. They can create your landing page from here. They can create everything that has to do with your socials from here that is still linked to HubSpot. Then we have the one for sales department. We have commerce. We have a lot of things. That is why Equi called HubSpot what? A one-stop shop. So assuming we want to create AI don't they lock too. Hey, voila. Let me see. Websites. Why is AI locked? I needed us to use AI so that it would just be a simple thing. I didn't want to stress myself. Just hold on, guys. Let me ensure that this is what I'm looking for. Select templates. I need to be sure that this is what I'm looking for so that it will not stress me. Welcome to page editor. Whether you're new to us will remind me later. Okay. Okay. And is that AI I really wanted us to look into? Is that AI I really wanted us to look into? Okay. So guys, hold on. Hold on. Let me check that landing page again. I'm going to delete this one. Delete. Landing page. Hmm. Mm-mm. These people know, they know. Okay, I think my free trial has expired. My free trial has expired. I don't know if I have an account that has a free trial. Or do I have? Start from scratch. Mm. Let me pause the recording. All right. So the moment you are able to achieve this, you click on what? Start with AI. And then this is now where you tell AI what you want. So what is the purpose of your landing page? Is it to get visitors to request information? Is it to run an event and collect sign up? Is it showcase products? Is it to offer downloadable content or get visitors to book a meeting or attract newsletter subscribers? So, since we are an education platform, what will best suit us now? Offer downloadable content. Run an event and collect sign up. Get visitors to request information. Hmm. Let's use offer downloadable content. No, 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 no. You will ask me to upload something that people can download. So get visitors to book, to request information. Yeah, let's use that. Define idea. Now, it's going to ask you, what does your company do? So, landing page description, explain what your landing page aims to do and any information about your company, services, and products. So, we are a digital marketing agency that offer. This is an example it's giving you. You understand? But this is not what I'm looking for. So, I will copy this and go to my girlfriend. Like I told you guys yesterday, my chat GPT is my girlfriend. So, let's see how I'm going to prompt it to give me something in line with what I'm looking for. So I paste this here, what I copied there, and I will say, um, goal of the landing page. And I'll say, I need you to generate a similar write-up to the above one for a tech education platform. What's the name of that company I selected? Please, can someone remind me? Just type it on the chat box. I need you to generate. I was hoping you could generate this within this Grammarly. You they disturb me. Oh. I was hoping you could generate a similar write-up to the above one for a tech education platform. Okay. Shebi I know sabi English again. So bad. Okay, so let me see. Real Tech Academy. Okay. Okay, thank you. So I was hoping you could generate a similar write-up to the above one for a tech education platform to enable me. What? I just landing page. Use it as a landing page description for AI generated web landing page. This is not a clean prompt. I'm just doing something rough. So let's see. Let's see what it comes up with. We are a tech education platform committed to helping individuals and teams gain in-demand skills in areas like artificial intelligence. Even though I know Sabi cloud computing, we go collect and like that. No wahala. So I copy it and then I paste it here. I don't like stressing myself. Oh. Then company name. What's that company name you guys put here? Real Tech Academy. Real Tech Academy. Then ideal customer profile. Select your ideal customer profile. Let me see. No result found. Why? Why is this not seeing any result? Just hold on, guys. Create ICP. What ICP is relevant to this? Now, your ideal customer profile is the people you are targeting. Who and who would you like when you are doing a Facebook ad, your ICP, your ideal customer profile are the people you are targeting. You know, for those of us who know a little bit about Facebook ad, you know you can create a Facebook ad that will only target people in Gambia. Someone in Nigeria will not see it. Someone in any other country apart from Gambia. You can target some people only in Ghana. You can target people that are only between 20 to 35 years. You can target, there are a lot of things that you can, that's your ideal customer profile. You understand? So this one says age 24 to 45, 25 to 45, job title, customer support, administrative assistant, sales rep, whatever, whatever. Goals, move into AI. So let me see. I don't have the strength to create this thing. If it's not really necessary, we just leave it. So domain, this domain, I'm going to leave it. Hmm. Let me see. If I click on create ICP, let me see what comes up. Create new ICP, name, job titles. This is not what I want to get into, guys. So let's just leave that. And then once we are done, we do what? Do we need to add any documents? Yeah. Nah, this people don't come. Add documents. Let's see. Add a file and content to inform your landing page. Provide audio imagery. No, 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 no. I don't need all this thing. Generate landing page. So since I don't want to add anything on my own, if you already had maybe your logo, some things that you want, some videos, some messages, some text, some audio, some pictures that you want to be on your website, you can upload them here, all of them here. So let's assume, let me see, let me see, upload files. Let's see if I can get something. Documents. Where is that? Okay, let me go to tech, brief skills. Okay, so I'm looking for a picture that can, let's say I want this picture to be there. I want this one to be there. Those are pictures of people learning. Okay, let's leave. I've had enough of people learning. Let me look for something else. Uh, okay, let's just say it's just those two I need. I just click on open. It will upload them here. It will put this picture somewhere. So once I'm done, I can now click on what generates landing page. Let's see the magic of AI now. Let's see the magic of AI. So while that is going on, we have 5 minutes left. I don't know. I pray we finish under these 5 minutes, please. I don't know. I don't want to come back. Now this AI now, I they waste our time. Oh. You know, AI is taking over the world. They can when they can generate an AI picture of Trump as a pope. What else can people not do? So welcome to page editor. Remind me later, Biko. Okay, so look at the landing page that this thing just generated and tell me that AI is not just wow. So see the name of the company, Real Tech Academy. Unlock your tech potential with Real Tech Academy. Join Real Tech Academy where we empower individuals and teams to master in-demand skills in artificial intelligence, blah, 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 blah. Explore our program. They don't give us they don't give us house, so they don't give us school. Like it's a school with the name Real Tech Academy on top of it. Then practical industry design courses at Real Tech Academy. Our courses are crafted, all these things, and no be me think am o. I just told it what our company will do. If you tell them that your company is into sales of shoe or maybe sales of babies or what else can I say? Maybe you are a makeup artist, you want a landing page. Just tell it it will generate it for you. See what it's doing. It's generated something that is in line with education. Someone who sees these children now, you know that these people are learning. They are here, they are in school. Okay, see, this is a classroom. So it generates everything it generates will be according to what you gave it. You understand? See this one, marketing tools that help you understand every cost. This one are just This one now you go now, you will now edit these ones to suit what you are looking for. The measurable results have transformed our business, whatever, whatever. These are testimonials. This place is testimonials, I think. Then join Elevate today and start elevating your market. These ones are now they are now doing their own adverts. You understand? Before this thing used to be better than this. I don't know why it's now like they just put some. They will give you both testimonials of people telling you how Real Tech Academy has helped them and all those plenty. This tablets, how it's going to look on tablets, and this is how it's going to look on mobile phone, on your phone. It's going to generate all these things for you and put it in such a way that you can now use it and create your website. I'm not going to launch this because I don't need it. You understand? So this is just me showing you guys how you can use AI to generate a landing page and all that. So I think that's that for today. So if you have any question, I'm going to grant everyone access. We have just 2 minutes. So we have 2 minutes to deal with the questions we have for today. Let me allow people to unmute. If you have a question, please, we have 2 minutes. You can unmute yourself and ask a question now.